and then I'll start unboxing this. I'm really excited. If everyone knew what this took to receive, I am a horrible individual. Philip is amazing. He actually took the liberty of overnighting this, and I completely was unable, it sounds like a bad excuse because it is, to make it to the post office to even get it until today. I've been trying this the whole time. What up, Moses? My guy. I have been trying to get this here because I know a lot of shop owners are probably gonna want this. I just saw this product and I was like, yep, this is it. And I am gonna give my 100% real feedback. So, Philip, this is purely business. So, should I see room for improvement, I will call it out. And that's just to be fair, because obviously I'm not gonna say this is the best thing that everyone's ever gonna get if it's not, because then everyone's gonna hate me if they don't already. I realize I don't have a box cutter because I suck. One sec. Real quick, does Apple allow us to open boxes with scissors? No? Alright. Sorry, bad joke. But I'm literally just gonna get right into the unboxing, because I know if anyone else had a day as busy as me and Tushan did, or a week, you barely have time to even watch this, and I get it. What up, Tree? How's it going, guys? I know I was really trying to get as many people tagged and stuff. Honestly, I spilled my drink and everything. It's been one of those things. So I personally have been using magnets as far as repairs go, because obviously I hate picking up screws and everything else. So first presentation, I'm just gonna just drop down to this. So this is the Repair X. Okay, amazing hinge. So this is the Repair X system. So what this does, it allows you to actually write as far as grids go, but the mat's actually interchangeable. So if you've ever seen those like other mats, they just kind of, you know, they get busted. And I know what you're thinking, bro, I've seen that shit everywhere. And you're right, but you haven't seen this. So he has gone through. So think about how many times you have to train techs on the stuff that, just because we're experienced, we've been doing this for how long, it's easy for us, we already know what it is. But for people that don't, this literally gives you everything from warnings, things to stay away from, exactly how to start. Best part that I like is not only, yes, every single one of these is a different phone. Different phone. So, everything from Samsung tablets. So for those of you that are scared of Samsung tablets, no problem. Boom. I know you're thinking, okay, cool, now I have to set that up. I could just pull that up on my own computer. However, with this, it literally slides in. Yes, this is patent pending, X, Y, and Z, blah, blah, blah. But you give this to your new trainee who you just had watch a video or you instructed. Now, they're going to be able to follow along without you over their shoulder. Granted, depending on the device, you probably should. Regardless, anyone that has ever had to train anyone knows the value that this holds. I sent it to a few people, and everyone has also like kind of verified, yeah, I could actually see the practicality in that. Again, it just keeps getting better. I actually, like, I am a little taken back by this. Yeah, really nice. Everything down to diagrams. So, I mean, I know just these diagrams alone, down to your home button brackets. I mean, yeah, I just see so many possibilities with this. I mean, personally, I don't know realistically if I would use this in front of customers, because obviously I could see if I was a customer looking in, how I would feel about that. But I will say that is the reason why I didn't use some of my other magnets, because they were obviously have just crap on them. The fact that I can swap it out, then the pen I almost already lost, I can even draw on it. I can't lie. I am actually pretty fond of this. I put a link in the the description of this live. It's just like repairx.org. So obviously everyone's gonna do it anyway. Go do your own research. If you like it, get it. I know for a fact I'm gonna be using this. I'm gonna be training people, and I'm gonna maximize everything that I can with this. Because I mean, who's gonna go back and look up how to do G? I mean, most of us know how, but the people that don't, then you have to look at so many other things. Everything up to the V10, like literally every LG, Motorola, iPhones, all the iPads. Yeah, this is wild. Like Phil, you're a man. Like literally everything. Like this, because obviously all of us know how much time and effort we put into learning all of this stuff. The fact that Phil, honestly, regardless of whatever anyone does think, this is amazing because the time that this takes. So, real quick, I'm just going to go over this one. So, Nexus 6P tells you exactly where to start. You go straight to step 2. Tells you where to go, tells you cautions. So, if you know, oh man, like for instance, when you go to teach a 7 Plus, hey, make sure on that home button, you try not to damage it. Why, da-da-da. It's already there. It's already there. Accountability built in. Like, oh my gosh. Yeah. Built-in legends. And it's not just like color-coded legends, it's actual descriptions of what you're supposed to be doing. Yeah. I can't lie, I am really, I wish I had more time to go over more of the system, but honestly I am that busy. Obviously there's a manual. I think everyone in here, unless we need to, we don't really read it, but I am probably going to go over it as far as just everything goes. But it even goes down to repair difficulty. So let's say you're like, hey, go grab one of the sheets from the back. Let's take a look at what we're looking at. Instead of searching through that to find that one YouTube video, I don't care who you are. If you're in the repair game, you've looked up at least one YouTube video. If you don't, just leave because you're lying. Imagine, instead of trying to hear people, the same reason why I turn down my music, because typically, just to be annoying, this is what will happen. And people can't even hear them. Can't even learn. So now, remove all of that away. Who can teach better than us? No one. That's why we're here. Period. So, I mean, me personally, like I said it like a million times. Like literally, guys, you know what I mean? It is literally, is the right word almanac? Not almanac, that's for encyclopedia. That's the word, I know. Long day. Encyclopedia of phones, which I think all of us have up here. I see everyone in the group, we're all doing really well. I will say, especially for any new shop owner, I think this may be a must-have, especially if you're looking at even onboarding anyone, period. Andrew, is it magnetized? Yeah, exactly. It's magnetized. Then, alright, 12 seconds, I'm going to get an example of honestly a cheaper one. That's just what it is, because I've literally had this one for like years, but I literally haven't used it, and I just found it in a tub. I'm going to grab it just to compare the length of detail that Phil has literally put into this, because I know from experience, because I've used ones that were pretty lackluster. John, in teaching environment, I could see how this would work. I would need to use a blank one in front. Exactly. So, John, I don't know if you were a little late. I even just said, I'm like, I can't say if I'm going to fix someone's phone, and this is me, again, honest. I'm not going to have this thing. I think I don't know what I'm doing. You know what I mean? But that's okay. Because for those overnight jobs, or, again, behind in the back or whatever, sure. But even still, boom. And you're like, dang, I kind of forget. I'm not gonna lie, I already thought about this. You have a little, boop, little cheat sheet. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? And then, I suck. So I'm gonna write as best I can. Boom. Oh, what do I need to watch out for? Tells you right there. All the warnings. So instead of flipping through who knows how many YouTube videos for that one random phone that we haven't seen in 6 years and we just want that nice refresher just in case, how many videos do we have to go through? It's just, you know what I mean? The time, and that's even something that we do at the shop. This is a little tip. I think everyone knows it at this point. Sell on value and not numbers. Anyone can go anywhere and get a good deal, period. They can go on Amazon, they can sell on the value of it. For instance, for me, I just see so much time that I'm gonna save now. Like, I already have a magnetic mat and it's amazing. And I've always used one. So now I have one that if for whatever reason I'm just brain farting, and for instance, the same way I called that an almanac instead of an encyclopedia. Sometimes you just hit a little brain fart. Imagine you just have a quick little reference step by step. Then, yeah. Oh, well, so here's the thing. Oh my gosh. See? Again, honest unboxing, I'm just kind of going through it. I would actually use this side for the other. I think that's actually what it is. I feel like Phil's been biting his tongue because he's been waiting for it to click. And that's okay. But, actually, in X-ray mode, which is actually what this is called, I would actually use this. Because then, I could even go over without really, like, demonstrating on, like, corrupt components or, like, anything like that. Message, hit me up after the show. Yeah, I got you. And that's what I'm saying. Honestly, Andrew, you're going to have to shoot me a message. However, that's why I'm doing this. Because I want everyone, anytime I find something out, or Tushawn finds something out, we always try and give back. Hey, yo, we just ran into this. Yo, guys, just so you know. Like, this is literally just one of those times. Hey, I promise we're going to start incorporating this into our business. I'm not saying anyone else has to. But I will say, if you can pull anything up that isn't like that iFixit site that tells you difficulty, time, gives you the option of magnets, and if you want and you are going to do this in, I don't know, a more customer steps out, boom. Customer's right in front of you, completely understandable. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, that was so nice. That was so easy. Like, I'm not gonna lie, yeah, I'm pretty sold. I'm already pleased. I already want to start using it. It's just I can't. But just because I know we had a lot more people trickle in, so I'm going over Repair X. Philip, a lot of people know him. He's in the group. He's actually doing it too. But well, Cam, this is his baby, Pride and Joy, and man, I see why and how. Well, not how, because wow. Yeah, like, yeah, this is the first time I can honestly say, because I've purchased a lot of tools, this is a must-have right alongside my WOW stick, I think. And I love my WOW stick, man. And I tell you, if anyone doesn't have a WOW stick, I know vendors have it as well. I do also know it's available on Amazon. I do also know it's under 50 bucks. It comes with another magnetic sheet. Comes with the screws. Well, not the screws, comes with all the bits. Everything, 50 bucks. And I tell you, that is the reason why, like, I can tear apart an entire Samsung and put it back together in like 20 minutes. Stupid. Like, I typically repair time testing everything like 40, 45, you know, but it's literally effortless. So if you don't have a WOW stick, guys, like, if you don't want to listen to me on this, cool. If you don't have 50 bucks, you're in the wrong game. And I'm just going to keep it real. This, like I said, this is all me. I'm definitely going to get this. He has everything. LG G3, G4, G5, Nexus 10s. Like, and that's the thing, like, he's constantly putting out bundles. So, he has one where it's only Samsung packs. So let's say, bro, I've been fixing iPhones since they came out. Haha. Cool. No problem. Don't get the iPhone one. Get the regular mat. Get the Samsung one. Like, he actually has it bundled out. So, like, I wasn't even expecting these, so I appreciate you, man. But, I mean, like I said, this kind of stuff, like, anyone that does micro soldering, for example, think about how many times and how much time you've invested in just finding a schematic. Now imagine I'm literally holding every schematic to almost every smartphone that we're going to have to repair in the industry. In my hand, guys. Literally, I hold the blueprints to repair almost any cell phone that is a smartphone that is a actual name brand. That's powerful. There's shops that recommend to us all day long because they don't touch LG, they don't touch Samsung. Like, it's stupid. Like, you're giving up so much margin. You're giving up door swings, you're giving up opportunities. Like, people could come in for that and just get everything else. Like, sometimes we just turn people away because it's just not the right fit, and that's fine. But imagine you can actually do every single repair that comes through your door. If you actually try. If you don't want to try, that's cool. But everything is literally there. So, I'm going to leave you guys with that. I got to really make some moves. Appreciate everyone's time. I apologize, I didn't really introduce myself. My name's Angel. I'm with CPR Lancaster, here with Tushawn. You know, like I said, just here to give back. Give the little bit of information that I do know. I will say I'm more well versed in computers. So if anyone ever has a computer question, feel free to just reach out. I can't guarantee when I'm going to respond just because we're all in the business. No need to go any further. But I got you if and when I can. Anyone has any questions on this? Because I promise I'm going to be using this tonight. Like, you know, I'm going to be using it right now. So, feel free to reach out. Any questions? I got you as best I can. Yeah, appreciate all the love. One thing. All of these small guys coming out, let's help them. Like, come on. Like, I came from humble beginnings in the repair world. Like, I was working out of my room. Like, and I just see people, like, post, oh, like, I got this. And people are just bashing. Like, I get it. But do that to, like, do it to me. Do it to do it to the vets. Like, we know. But those guys, we're just going to discourage them. And those are people, those are allies. Like, they joined the group for help. They didn't join the group to be told, oh, well, Google it. We're supposed to be the Google. Like, what the, like, you know what I mean? So, I think as a community, we're getting too sucked in against this versus that, me versus you. It's not us versus it. It's us versus this, guys. Literally, that's why I'm here. We're here to help. That's why, like, keep full disclosure, I didn't expect to get all of these, but I got them. I guarantee you, they're the same reason I got these. I mean, it'll probably work out, but regardless, it's helping. Because you want to know why? Maybe down the road, Phil needs something. Got you, Phil. Down the road, anyone needs anything? Got you. Maybe this video, a year from now, you're like, oh, I did actually get it. Yeah, it actually did help. I was actually able to train new employees, open up 2 new shops. Maybe one day I'm like, yo, anyone ever see this issue with a Pixel? And you're like, yo, I got you. That's why we do what we do. We don't do it to bash people, man. Like, I'm just keeping it real. I'm not trying to get light skin. I know I'm light skinned. And yeah, Drake's my spirit animal. I get it. But guys, someone needs help, just say, yo, I got you. Or keep scrolling. We're all busy. We don't got time to make comments. Come on now. We're adults. I'm just keeping it real. I've been very quiet in the group. This is my first time. I just want to share that, but I also just want to share that because I just see too much animosity. And we're all here for the greater good, the greater cause, which is, we're just trying to solve people's problems, man. So let's do that. But on that note, happy Friday, guys. Hope everyone killed it, and I hope everyone has an amazing, amazing weekend. I hope everyone kills it. I hope everyone has some good deals rolling out. Make sure we're attaching. Make sure we're selling on value. Let's make this money, baby.